Good boy, Richard. Heck yeah. Scratch that tree, buddy. Harriet's inside. She wanted to stay inside when I left. I just did cardio. I'll probably go to the pool next and then watch baseball. I'm going to enroll in the Google IT certificate this week and start classes this week or next week to be IT support. But that'll be probably tomorrow. And here's Miss H. Harriet. Anyway, this was pre-catwalk and cats as I got home. Harriet, you want some chicken reveal? Oh, I'll also include chicken reveal in this short. My cats are meowing for it. And here the two cats are, Richard and Harriet, eating chicken reveal. Hooray! We'll go for a catwalk in the evening sometime. Unless the cats want to go right now when I go to the pool, then we'll just walk to the pool. But I think Richard will want to get on the cat bed or the tower and nap inside. I'll probably watch the new the second Hunger Games tomorrow. Hunger Games Catching Fire. That got second place, second most votes in the poll.